Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the phone off because safety first, no current running through components. Once done, remove the SIM and SD cards so you don't damage them. Use a suction cup and a P2 pentalobe or appropriate driver to remove bottom screws. This exposes the seam. You pry gently with plastic picks to lift the screen, don't force it. The reason is adhesive and fragile connectors underneath. Controlled, steady leverage prevents cracked glass or torn flex cables. You'll continue by unscrewing the small brackets that hold flex connectors. Keep screws organized by location so reassembly is exact. Once those shields are off, disconnect the battery first. This prevents shorting, and then unplug the display and sensor flex cables carefully, lifting from the connector edge. If adhesive holds the screen, apply gentle heat to 50-60 degrees to soften glue. This makes separation smooth. The why is simple. Controlled disconnection protects delicate You now fit the replacement screen by aligning and seating each flex connector in sequence. Reconnect the display and sensors, then reconnect the battery last so you can test without powering connectors during install. Make sure to apply new adhesive or double-sided tape to the frame and press edges evenly to restore water resistance. Once powered, test touch responsiveness, display uniformity, front camera, proximity sensor, and speaker. If the screen flickers or touch fails, recheck connectors and clean pads. A dirty connector often causes these issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.